Welcome to the Style channel. Today we will come to a retro land where movement without physics exists. Let's start. This is a 2D game Castlevania, and I learned about making this game when being in university using C++ DirectX. Okay, as you see in this game, there are objects which are in standstill, but there are also some moving a lot, with control of users or with control of a redefined moving part. Moving part here can be anything such as line, diagonal line, wave, circle. Line, a popular and simple type. Objects can move on vertical or horizontal line using the suitable coordinate. For example, to set a line movement for the object, I will create a movement strip and assign to that. To auto-move this, we can use function update or fixed update. It will update position for update every frame or every fixed frame rate to make a feel like moving. In this case, without using 3D body physics system, I will use update function with record every frame. If I want the object move to right on horizontal line, would I use the code below? Okay, with code above, it means every frame object could move to right about 10 units. But you should note that not all computers have the same FPS, frame per second. Slow computer will have lower FPS. For example, a computer A with 100 FPS and computer B with 25 FPS. A frame also means 0.01 equal to 100 seconds. Object in A will move 10 units, but for a frame also means 0.04 equal to 1/25 seconds. Object in B reach 10 units. Bit rate are not same, with time of B 0.04 seconds. Object in A will move more until 14 units, and this leading to a bad experience on very environment. So, a definition about time delta time important to have the independence with frame rate. Time delta time means the interval time in seconds from the last frame to the current one. If I then got a bit into this, every frame also means 0.01 second. Object in A will move 0.1 unit, and a frame also means 0.04 second. Object in B will move 0.4 units. Right, now the rate is same, with time of B 0.04 second. Object in A also moves 0.4 units. Assume an object in 2D needs to move on the line with VA with its axis an angle of 30 degrees. Again, we will use update function, then update its position over its frame. Each time a frame passes, the object can move at a 10 about velocity multiplied with time delta time. So, to get the exact value on its and y axis, we need some math here. We have degree and length. Therefore, finding values of pole is quite easy. As you know, it's equal to cos of the angle multiplied with distance, and y is equal to sin of angle multiplied with distance. Finally, we have the formula as this. Okay, let's apply in code. Note that I convert the angle to radian here, because the function needs a radian parameter. Let's run. Okay. A basic formula for wave axis can be defined as this. And not A is the mass height of wave, F is the number of repeatability of movement in a unit of time, and T is the time duration for moving from beginning. After a delta time, also mean a ramp, a point on way we move on its axis with value velocity multiplied with delta time, and on y-axis with this. Okay, it's time to zoom into code with formula pro. Aha, that's work. Oh, but this case means you want the way move, just like on a horizontal line. How about way on the vertical line? Same a bit the bow. Now, on y-axis, way we move with value velocity multiplied with delta time. And on its y-axis, it can be like this.